everyone, welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna make one of my favorite little cutie patootie pouches to make. Today we're gonna make a little holiday loop pouch. This is a pattern from OklaRoots. This is another watch and learn for fun video. We are almost done with the month of December. I cannot believe it. These videos have been so much fun to make, but also so exhausting. I'm really excited to be wrapping them up. And I'm especially excited to show you this guy. So this is the loop pouch. This is one of the OklaRoots patterns. I'll have the pattern link down below. There is a full tutorial going over multiple methods to make this. There are a few different zipper options. So I'll also have that tutorial link down below. Today though, we're just gonna run through this real quickly. And I used some fold over elastic scraps to make a little bow, which I thought was so cute. So you can see the loop pouch, we can lift up the top like this. You still have that little bow around the side. And then we have a zipper that just zips closed. Very cute. You can take this bow off. And then you see you have like a regular little tall pouch. It's so cute, but I especially love it when you open up the zipper, you fold down the top, and it kind of looks like a little loot bag, like from, do you guys remember Animal Crossing? Anybody else play that during quarantine? A lot of us did. It kind of reminds me of that, like a cute little loot pouch. This would actually be really cute to put like a little wine bottle in it, or just like, again, I really want a coffee cup apparently, because I keep suggesting coffee cups in these little gift bags, but that would be cute, right? Little hot chocolate cup, some candies, chocolates. Derek, please, I would like that. So this is a really quick little make. It's scrappy. You do need some bigger cuts for like the lining and stuff, but mostly it's scrappy. It's very beginner friendly as well. So if you haven't already, please make sure you are subscribed to the OklaRoots YouTube channel so you can be alerted every time we have a new video. Also make sure you tap the notification bell. I see a lot of people commenting lately going, when did this video happen? Yeah, it happens. I know. Not everybody gets shown all my new videos. So if you tap the notification little bell, you will be alerted when a new video comes out. After the month of December, we're going back to just Monday videos, and then we might also be doing some Thursday videos as we go into 2026 because we're going to be doing a quilt along. Fingers crossed. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you have any questions, comments, if you want to see any other versions of the loop pouch, please make sure you leave a comment down below. If you've made the loop pouch, I would love to hear what you think of it. Leave a comment down below. And if you haven't already posted a photo of it to social media and you decide to do so, please make sure you tag me. I love seeing your versions. Alrighty guys, let's get started.